Hey guys, Grapey K Sue. I had some Easter cards that I've been wanting to show y'all, and things have been happening, life has been happening, my medical issues have been happening, and things just keep getting pushed back. So I just wanted to show y'all these. I still had something I made last year in my little box that I'll probably send out next year, and I'll probably send these out next year. So this is I believe a diversions die. These little pieces here come out, but I thought I would leave them in there and color them up. This here is I think it's the Stampin' Up. It's an old Stampin' Up embossing folder. I'm not sure if they still have that or not. And then I just did a little banner and some flowers I had in my stash. And this one is sort of 3D-ish. 3D-ish. This little basket here is like one of those weave type. You have to weave them in amongst each other. And it is a Gina Marie, not Gina K, but Gina Marie die, along with these little bunnies. This bunny here, I think, is a cottage cuts. I think that's what it's called. And then I put a little poofy tail on it with some little silver things in it. These little eggs I cut out of a pattern paper and just put some glitter on it. You can't really see it. This is just a die that I had in my stash. I don't remember who that's from. I think these right here are from the little girl. They changed their name. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. If you want to know what where these are from, I'll let you know. Just let me know. And then I have this. It looks like it's a. Oh gosh, I think it's a Tim Holtz embossing folder. It's a brick background with some of the bricks that are not there. It's kind of a not destash. I've been doing so many destashes, I can't even talk. Oh, now I can't even think of the word. Anyway, and then I just put a little bling up here. But I thought that was kind of cute. I did some copic coloring in here just to give it some shadow, if you could see that. You know, give it some depth in there. And I think it turned out pretty good. I probably could have done a little bit more, but I didn't want to make it worse than it was. And then the inside, I just did a little punch. Now I don't have too many Easter sentiments like bunny type, other than some bunny loves you and happy Easter and that kind of stuff. I don't have a long sentiment, that kind. I have got some religious ones for Easter that I do, but I just don't have any bunny type. You know what I mean? So that's kind of blank right now, but I'm sure I'll put something in it when I send it off next year. Anyway, I just wanted to show you all those so I could put those up until next year. And if you have any questions about them, let me know. If you're not a subscriber, I would appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. And we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks a lot. Bye.